Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this fantastic tripod, which is just not only a tripod. This one actually is a face and body tracker 360 that will follow you. This brand sent it to me for this video, and I have to say that this is the first time that I'm trying one of this. I've seen them like all over the place, and I said, yeah, I'm not gonna need that. I think that now I want this one. I actually gonna use it because it follows you without having to pair anything on your phone, any app or any cable, nothing. You just put your phone there with the holder, which by the way, you can put it in vertical mode as well. So that's kind of like really cool that you can put it in vertical mode. You will have to adjust it, of course, to just put it in vertical mode, but you can put a landscape vertical. It also comes with a light. Let me actually see if this one is on right now. So I'm gonna just double click. Okay, so this one comes with the light, as you can see over here, which actually has a really nice feel of kind of like warm yellow, white, cold white, or something like that. So you can just use the light in case that you're kind of like doing a selfie or something like that, or you're close to it. By the way, this one right here is the camera, and you can adjust the camera just to be facing at you like this, or you can point it up in case that you are standing. We're gonna try it out standing today. And also, by the way, this section over here, this part of the bottom tripod, you can actually put this holder on a whole tripod. So in case that you wanna be standing or doing a live stream or something like that, you can put it on a tripod as well. It also comes with a remote controller to take photos or start filming, as well as the USB-C for charging purposes. Check this out. Okay, check this out. You can see me there on my phone. I'm gonna start walking over here, and you can see that this thing is following me perfectly. It's not missing anything because it's actually the camera that comes with the actual device. It's just following my body and my face, and it's actually pointing up. So that is really cool that I don't have to do anything. And at some point, this one will stop if I stop. You know, I can go faster, just like this, stop, and I can go even faster, just like this, stop. This is so awesome because again, you can point it up, you can put it in an actual tripod. It will kind of like recognize your face, or in case that it kind of like if it is out of camera or out of focus or something like that, you just go like this. And when it turns green back again, you're back in business. So it's not gonna fail. It's actually not gonna stop recognizing you. But if it happens, if in the case that happens because you're too far or something like that, you can actually go back and wait for the comes green, and that's it. Best thing about this one, again, you can put it on a tripod and just make sure that you have a perfect experience with this one just pointing at you if you're gonna be closer to the camera. But this is so cool. I mean, check it out. It's not even paired with my phone or anything. My phone is there just recording, and at some point, if you want, you can just change it, put it on a tripod, turn off the lights, turn off the device, and you're all set. This thing is actually pretty awesome, and it works perfectly.